When was the last time you actually cleaned your windows properly? Yeah, what exactly? Most of us either ignore it, or we start, get annoyed halfway through, and end up with streaks that somehow look worse than before. So when I got my hands on the HOBOT S7 Pro, I had one simple question in mind. Can this thing actually do a better job than me? First impression, this thing doesn't look like a toy. It feels solid, well-built, and surprisingly premium. There's a handle on top, a safety tether, which, trust me, you definitely want if you're using it on higher windows. And underneath, this is where it gets interesting. You've got these dual cleaning pads that don't just spin, they vibrate, like 600 times per minute. And when you turn it on, you can literally feel that energy. It's not just wiping, it's scrubbing. Now here's where things get kind of wild. Instead of just dragging a wet cloth across your glass, this thing uses dual ultrasonic spray. So it's not squirting water like a regular cleaner, it's turning it into this super fine mist that spreads evenly across the surface. And the result? It actually breaks down dirt way faster than I expected. I tried it on a window that hadn't been cleaned in, let's just say, longer than I'd like to admit. And within minutes, you could see the difference. Not just cleaner, but clearer. Like that crisp, streak-free finish you only get when you really put effort in. Except, I didn't. Now, the part I was honestly skeptical about, how does it not fall off? This thing uses 4,800 Pascal suction, and that number doesn't mean much until you actually stick it onto glass. It locks on. Like, really locks on. There's no slipping, no drifting. It just holds tight and does its thing. Still, I wouldn't skip the safety tether. It's one of those you'll regret it if you don't situations. Watching it work is actually kind of satisfying. It moves in a smart pattern, not random chaos, covering the window efficiently. It even detects edges, so if you've got frameless glass or tricky corners, it slows down, adjusts, and keeps going without panicking. And yeah, there's something weirdly satisfying about just standing there watching a robot clean your window while you do absolutely nothing. Now, let's be real for a second. It's not magic. If you've got super small window panes with lots of frames, this isn't going to be your best friend. You'll spend more time repositioning it than it's worth. But for big windows, balcony glass, sliding doors, this thing absolutely shines. Control is simple too. You can use the remote or just connect it to your phone. It even talks to you like actual voice prompts, so you always know what it's doing, which honestly makes the whole experience feel way more intuitive than I expected. And here's the biggest thing: time. Normally, cleaning windows is one of those jobs you have to stand there and finish. With this, you stick it on, press start, and walk away. It's cleaning while you're doing something else. That alone might be worth it for a lot of people. So, does it clean better than you? If you're someone who rushes through window cleaning, leaves streaks, or avoids it completely? Yeah, it probably does. The HOBOT S7 Pro isn't just about cleaning windows, it's about removing one of those annoying chores from your life. And once you get used to that, it's very hard to go back. If you've got big glass surfaces, hard to reach windows, or you just hate cleaning, this might be one of those gadgets that actually earns its place. And now I'm curious. Would you trust a robot to clean your windows? Or are you still doing it the old way? Let me know.